We all seek connection, a resonance with the world outside ourselves. We speak, we listen, we learn, or so we believe. But what if the conversations we have, the opinions we share, the information we consume, isn't truly reaching anyone new? What if it's merely reinforcing what's already there? Imagine 1,000 individual chambers, each with a single occupant. They shout, they whisper, they debate, but the sound waves, the ideas, never truly escape. They merely echo off the polished surfaces within their own confines. We feed our chambers. We seek information, believing it will broaden our horizons. Yet often, we unknowingly choose the filters. We select the voices that sound most like our own, the facts that confirm our existing narratives. Inside, it feels safe. It feels right. Every incoming thought perfectly aligns. Every argument is perfectly won. The echo is comforting. It confirms, it assures. You are never wrong here. But sometimes, a tremor, a discordant vibration from beyond, a glimpse of another truth, another perspective. And for a moment, the comforting echo falters. Do we push against the walls? Do we try to shatter the comfortable illusion? Or do we quickly patch the cracks, preferring the predictable solace of our own internal symphony? The echo chamber, a prison of our own design, and we might never even know we're trapped.